Helo, fi di Glesley Ellis Williams a dyma Adran Dymieithau.
Helo, Mrs Leah Jones dwi. Helo, Miss Paula Owen dwi. Helo, Mrs Fiona Ryan dwi.
Helo, Beca Brychan ydw i. Croeso i'r Adran Dymieithau.
You'll never know quite when, well, then again it just depends on how long the time is left for you. I've had the highest mountains, I've had the deepest river. You can have it all, but now keep moving. I'll take it in, but don't look down. 'Cause I'm on top of the world, eh? I'm on top of the world, eh? Waiting on this for a while now. Paying my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting to smile, eh? Been holding it in for a while, eh?
Edrych ymlaen.
Diolch chi!
Mis Medi.